Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jagmeet Kaur, and in this video I'll show how to configure multi-site in Optimizely CMS SaaS. So let's get started. So we have already one site which is configured here. So I have a code deployed to Vercel from GitHub repository, and I have URL configured in the settings and then applications. Okay. So in order to configure or create a new site, we need a URL. And then we need a code to which it points to. We use the same code for all the sites under this root. So you need to go to the repository and go to settings. We have our domains here. Configure a new domain for the new site and then use that. So I'm assuming that all the sites under this will be using the same code from the GitHub repository that I deployed to the Verso. So what I need to do, go to the settings, then applications, then create a new application. N- Name the application as home new and choose the start page from the existing or the new. I'm going to choose the new one, and then it asks us which template of the page you are going to use for the home page. So I'll choose the start page. So when I choose the start page, so all the components that are configured for the start page will appear in our new site homepage. Okay. So then create the application. So I have a name of the site, API ID, but the URL is missing. So what we need to do is click on here, go to host names, and then add host name. I'm just adding the URL that I just copied from Vercel. Use the secured connection, then choosing the language English, add. Okay. Now, if I go back to my application, so I have two sites configured here. You can configure more site as you need. I'll go to this edit option and I see if I can see a new site that I can just configure. So I already had the home and the home new I just configured. So I can see it here with the home icon in the front, which says this site is configured. Okay. So what I can see the default components like the header and the footer in the bottom. So these are the like default components for any page. So these I can see. And other than that, as I already discussed earlier, so as I choose the start page, so components that belongs to the start page, I can see to my on the new home page. Okay. So you can add your components by clicking on here. Like we have a hero here. So just click on here, create a new component, choose the hero from here. There are so many. It's here, home hero, and choose any heading. See new heading, heading, and just add these many just to see. Great. So as you can see, we have added the hero here, and I can see the content on the page in the preview. So in this way, you can configure multiple sites under the root node and choose the code it has to use and the URL. And you can add the more components as per your requirement. You can add the pages under this by going here, create new page, choose the template of the new page. Say I want to choose a landing page. This can be like service page, right? Say the name is service. I'll go to OK. So a new page is created under this one. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you are interested in more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.